Here we have a 2018 BMW 520d M Sport Touring. Now this vehicle comes with the Mediterranean blue metallic paintwork. We do have the LED headlights, got the gloss black front grills and front splitter. As a look at that front end. You'll also find we do have the M Performance kit on this vehicle. Coming around to the passenger side, you find the side skirts running along the bottom. We do also have the 20-inch alloy wheels. We have the colour-coded door handles and door mirrors, black trim around the windows, and the privacy glass at the rear. Up top you'll find the roof rails. We also have the shark fin antennae and the rear spoiler. We do have front and rear parking sensors on this vehicle, along with a rear reversing camera. We also have the power operated tailgate, dual exit exhaust, and the rear diffuser. We have over £8,000 worth of optional extras, all of which are listed on the website. Just to mention one there, we do have the M Sport Plus package. And as we make our way back round to the driver's side, you can see the vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. If we take a look at the interior, we'll have a look at the back first. You'll find we do have the white leather seats, refundable armrests in the centre and fixed ISO points as well, ambient lighting on the doors along with the electric windows and premium Harman Kardon sound system. Take a look at the front, you'll find the same leather seats, both front seats being heated, they're also electrically adjustable. Just take a seat inside, you've got the Harman Kardon speakers, again ambient lighting on the doors along with the electric windows, automatic lights down there, automatic wipers on this stalk just here, multifunctional steering wheel and digital dashboard in front. Put a foot on the brake, press the start button, vehicle starts up. We've got the speed limiter and the cruise control button here on the left, got the paddle shifters as well either side, phone connectivity volume buttons on the right and the heated steering wheel button in the centre. Digital dashboard just here, if the camera will focus you can see free from any warning lights. We then have the main infotainment screen, plenty of features on here. Now if any of these screens or lights are flickering, it's just the camera, they're not flickering in real life, so nothing to worry about. We can go through the different features by pressing the buttons, so if you click onto media, you'll find the radio stations. We also have the other media options here on the left, which we can scroll through just like so. If we go onto mobile devices, you'll also find the Apple CarPlay just here. We have the intelligent safety, which makes it a very safe vehicle to drive. Further down you've got the vents, you'll also have the climate control, got the heated seats either side and the ice-cold air conditioning, all working as they should do. Automatic gearbox for the different drive modes, so you can press these buttons and quickly toggle through the different drive modes. Also change to the dashboard design, depending on which drive mode you are in. Putting the vehicle into reverse, reverse camera appears on the screen, along with the parking sensors on the left. Back into park by pressing P, we then have the electric handbrake, auto hold button, and finally the armrest just here. That's all I'm going to show you today. If you'd like to find out more, please get in contact or check out the website. This vehicle comes with a fresh service, fresh MOT, and next day delivery is available. Thank you for watching. Video test drive of this BMW 520d M Sport. Now the purpose of the video test drive is to show the vehicle drives as expected to. As you can see, not to fire the steering wheel to keep it in a straight line, not veering off to the left or to the right hand side, staying straight and true. Now we do the multifunction steering wheel, which has the cruise control and speedometer buttons on the left, along with phone connectivity and volume buttons on the right. Now we are just at a junction, so we've slowed down, got our right indicator on. I'm just going to make sure there's no cars coming, so I'm just going to wait for this car to go past. Then we're going to turn it right, we're going to continue on our way, get up to speed nice and smoothly with the automatic gearbox. You'll also find the paddle shifters either side of the steering wheel if you wanted to stick the car into manual mode. If you do listen carefully throughout the video test drive, you'll also notice it'll be free from any unwanted knocks or bangs. We also have plenty more features as well throughout the vehicle. The leather seats, for example, which are really comfortable, you can easily do 2, 3. Moving 400 miles in this vehicle, still get out feeling fresh. Both front seats being heated, perfect for them cold winter mornings. We also have the main infotainment screen just here. It's currently showing the radio stations, but also has plenty more features. You can quickly toggle through them. So for example, we've got the sat nav now on the screen. We also have the premium Harman Kardon sound system, which really does sound incredible. Ambient lighting as well, running all throughout, all makes the interior a nice place to be. Now we are going to take another right hand turn, so again put our right indicator on, we're going to slow down, make sure no cars are coming, and and then turning right onto Gravy Road, and again I'm going to accelerate, get up to speed, going through the gears with no issues. You'll also find we do have the intelligent safety just here. Press the button to switch between the levels. Makes it a very safe vehicle to drive. And we are approaching the dealership now, so we're going to take it nice and steady, coming around the bend, slowing down, putting our left indicator on, and then we're going to turn it left onto the dealership, and then we'll perform an emergency stop now in 3, 2, and 1. Hold onto the brakes, into reverse. Reverse camera appears on the screen. Back into drive now with no issues whatsoever. Now, if this video hasn't answered all your questions, then please feel free to get in contact with our sales team, where they can answer all unanswered questions, along with running some inquiries of you. That's all from me today though. Cheers.